Hello and welcome back to PC Quiz. Tell me honestly, which laptop are you using right now? Is it a Mac or a Windows laptop? Do you know that both Windows and Mac have their own unique features? People who are using an iPhone usually go for Mac because of its stability and connected ecosystem. So today in this video, we are going to decode Apple and its various devices which creates it as a seamless ecosystem. First, we'll talk about Apple's journey. Apple was started in 1976 with three people, Steve Jobs, Steve Wozniak, and Donald Wayne. Their goal was simple to make technology user-friendly. The first product that Apple launched was Apple I. Apple I was a basic computer without a screen or a keyboard, and it was sold as a circuit board. Then in 1984, Apple launched the Macintosh. Macintosh was the first personal computer with a graphic user interface and mouse. But the real shift came in 2007 with the launch of first iPhone. Touchscreen, clean design, and it changed the entire industry. Over the years, Apple started building its chips from M1 to M4 for MacBooks and iPads. That's when Apple's ecosystem began to start. What makes Apple's ecosystem so special? The real magic is in how each device is connected to each other. Let's say you get a call on your iPhone and you can answer it on your MacBook, or typing an email on your iPad and later you can continue it on your iPhone. Advanced continuity features. Apple has invested years building continuity between devices. First is handoff. Handoff lets you start a task on one device and continue on another, like a document or an email with a single tap. Second is universal clipboard. Copy text, photos, or files on one Apple device and paste them on another instantly. Third is universal control. Use one mouse or trackpad and keyboard across multiple Macs or iPads, perfect for multitasking. Fourth is AirDrop. Fast wireless file sharing between Apple devices without internet. These aren't making marketing buzzwords, those are real, built in features enabled by Apple ecosystem integration. Why Apple devices never lag? It's simple because Apple makes both the hardware and the software. Mac OS, iOS, iPad OS, they all work together naturally. No compatibility issues, no drivers, and no random bugs. Plus, with Apple Silicon M2, M3, and M4, the performance and battery life are very solid. Whether you are a student, a coder, or just someone who uses their devices for day-to-day work, everything runs efficiently. Top Apple devices in 2025. MacBook Air with the latest M4 chip is great for students or office use. MacBook Pro comes with M4 Pro Max, which is great for creators and professionals. And also don't forget about the launch of iPhone 17, which is launched in a unique design. MacBook Air older M1, still one of the most affordable Macs in India. Other ecosystem devices like iPhone 16 or 15 series, iPad and iPad Pro, Apple Watch series, AirPods and HomePod. These all work together seamlessly out of the box. Ecosystem benefits in 2025. Here's why choosing Apple still makes sense. Smooth integration like files, messages, calls, photos, everything syncs instantly across devices. Security and privacy. Apple's ecosystem emphasizes user privacy and secure data handling. Long software support. Apple devices receive system updates for many years. Resale value. Apple products tend to hold value better over time compared with many Windows laptops. Why you must choose Apple? No doubt that Apple devices are expensive, but the built-in quality, the smooth performance takes Apple on another level. In India, offers like student discounts, HDFC card days, and exchange options makes the price a bit easier to handle. With Student ID, you can get up to rupees 10,000 off on all Apple devices with free accessories like Apple Pencil or AirPods. So that's all about Apple. It's not just about buying the products, it's about how well they work together. And if you like this video, please subscribe, share and like to PC West.